Do you feel confident while reading English but find it difficult to speak without hesitating? If so, you're not alone. Majorly, one of the biggest reason or challenge faced by student is to speak English fluently and effectively. It can be tempting to focus on reading and listening. If you want to become an expert user of English language, you need to make the language part of your daily routine. Here are 3 practical ways to enhance your spoken English. One of the most effective ways to improve speaking English is by practicing it aloud. I know it might feel a bit awkward at first, but trust me, it works wonders. You can start by reading books or articles or even narrating your daily activities or some stories. The key is to get comfortable with the flow of words. जो आपका डेली हसल या चैलेंज है, इसे आप एक इंग्लिश फन एडवेंचर बनाते जाए. देखो, for example, you can try standing in front of a mirror and narrating your day-to-day life activities, or you can describe a scenery that you must have seen around you, like you saw a beautiful sunset. You can just start describing the sunset. If it's that difficult for you to dedicate your time to practice and learn English, you can just narrate it to yourself. Another effective technique is learning and memorizing common English phrases. By memorizing them, you will be able to engage in conversation without hesitation. Plus, it will help you sound more natural and fluent. अब हर टाइम तो याद नहीं रहेगा क्या सीखा था, क्या याद किया था, किस फ्रेज का मतलब क्या है. तो इससे बेटर आइडिया है इन फ्रेजेस को याद करने के लिए कि आप फ्लैश कार्ड्स बना लीजिए. फ्लैश कार्ड्स आप कभी भी रिवाइज कर सकते हैं उनसे रिकॉल करने के लिए, किसी कैफे में बैठे हुए या फिर लंच पर या फिर स्टडीज करते हुए. द थर्ड टेक्निक वुड बी to learn English with an expert English speaker. The very best way to improve your English is to spend time learning with an expert. This way, you get instant feedback on your spoken English. Learn lots of idioms and phrases and ask for help whenever you need it. One such platform is Ace Fluency application. इधर you can find expert, a practice partner और guidance के लिए recorded lectures भी. तो जाओ check all the features of Ace Fluency and take the free trial classes, one-on-one calling और भी बहुत कुछ. ये available है Play Store और App Store में. आप इसे description में mention link से भी download कर सकते हैं. Happy learning!